For many breastfeeding mothers, nipple pain is expected in the early days, but if the pain suddenly becomes severe, burning, itchy, or continues even after a good latch, thrush may be the cause. Thrush is a yeast infection caused by an overgrowth of Candida, and it can affect both the breastfeeding parent and the baby. On Pump with Sabella, we want you to know that thrush is common, treatable, and not a sign that you are doing anything wrong. One of the biggest clues is pain that feels different from normal soreness. Many mothers describe sharp, burning, stabbing, or shooting pain in the nipple or breast during and after feeding. The nipples may look pink, shiny, flaky, or irritated, and they can be very sensitive to touch or clothing. Sometimes the nipples appear completely normal even when thrush is present. Babies can also show signs of thrush. Look for white patches on the tongue, gums, inner cheeks, or roof of the mouth that do not wipe away easily. Some babies become fussy during feeds, pull off the breast frequently, have increased gas, diaper rash that does not improve with regular cream, or click while nursing because their mouth is uncomfortable. Thrush is more likely after antibiotics, a recent vaginal yeast infection, cracked nipples, diabetes, or conditions that keep the nipple area moist for long periods. The most important step is getting treatment for both parent and baby at the same time, even if only one of you has symptoms. Contact your healthcare provider or your baby's pediatrician. Treatment often includes an antifungal cream for the nipples and an antifungal medicine for the baby's mouth. Continue breastfeeding unless your provider tells you otherwise, because stopping suddenly can increase the risk of engorgement and clogged ducts. To prevent reinfection, wash hands frequently, change breast pads often, keep nipples as dry as possible, wash bras, towels, and baby cloth items in hot water, and clean pump parts thoroughly after each use. Some providers recommend boiling pump parts and pacifiers daily during treatment. Follow the instructions given by your healthcare team. Many mothers feel significant improvement within a few days, but complete treatment usually needs to be continued for the full prescribed period, often 1 to 2 weeks, to prevent the yeast from returning. Seek medical care promptly if you develop fever, a red-hot area on the breast, flu-like symptoms, deep breast pain that is worsening, or if symptoms do not improve after several days of treatment. Thrush can make breastfeeding feel miserable, but with proper treatment and good hygiene, most parents recover fully and continue breastfeeding successfully. Your comfort matters, and you deserve support while you heal.